Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. If you're new, seriously so excited to sit down and make some bracelets with you guys. These are the most popular videos on my channel. I think one of my videos already has over 300,000 views of making bracelets. I know a lot of you guys follow me over on my second channel, Kellyprepster Studio, where I post these videos every single week. So I hope you guys like today's video. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So if you guys haven't caught up on my most recent video, I will insert a card to it. We just got a new puppy. You can see the whole vlog. Meet Burrow, that's his name. He's named after Joe Burrow, the Cincinnati Bengals quarterback, and he is so cute. He's a little Frenchie. So I thought it'd be fun to make a puppy themed bracelet set. So I'm seriously so excited. All of these bracelets will be included in my next launch on Kellyprepsterstudio.com. It's always linked down below in the description box. I even have some of the bracelets linked so you can shop my site on YouTube, which is seriously so crazy. But let's just get right into the video. And I'm going to write down all of the bracelet names. I think it's gonna be so much fun. So I wrote down Burrow, Frenchie, Pupster, just like Kellyprepster, I Heart Burrow, and then this is supposed to be like a little puppy charm. I thought that would be cute. So I wrote these down. We are gonna get what we need out. So I love to use scissors. These are my little kid scissors. Then I also have this little tray that came with my bracelets, and this is how I measure across. We're gonna be using pony beads today. And we also are going to need some elastic. This is my favorite elastic. It's from the brand J.Crew. I don't know if you guys can hear Burrow in the background with his squeaky dog toy, but this is from the brand J.Crew. I just put one of my logo stickers on the top, and we're gonna need some letter beads. Got these in a collab with Shein, and I love them because they're super colorful. I feel like they just make it extra fun, and they also have some numbers, so we're going to use some of these pony beads as well. I have 3 different trays in here. These are my most used, and then I have like a darker set of colors, but I don't really use those as much. First off, I'm going to grab all of the letters. We're going to spell out all of our bracelets. Okay, so last minute I decided that these little blue paw print charms would look so cute next to Burrow. Then we have Frenchie, Pupster, I Heart Burrow, and a little paw. So now we're going to pick out what colors would go best next to each one of these. For example, I'm probably going to put like this crystally blue next to Burrow. So I'm going to do this for all of them, and then I'll share it with you guys. And we're going to do sparkly blue for Burrow, crystal purple for Frenchie, a crystally white one for Pupster, a matte pink one for I Heart Burrow, and then this pearly white with the paw print. I think these are going to look so cute. So now I'm going to use our elastic, and we're going to thread all of these and make bracelets. Oh my gosh, these turned out so cute. So we have Pupster, I Heart Burrow, the little paw charm, Burrow with the paw charms, and Frenchie. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little bracelet making video. I upload these videos every single week on my second channel, Kellyprepster Studio. I will insert a card in case you guys want to check it out. I would love to have you guys on both of my YouTube channels and part of my hashtag Bead Buddies community. If you guys are a bead buddy, leave a comment down below with the hashtag. I would love to say hi to you guys. I do read and respond back to every single comment. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And again, if you haven't met my little puppy, go check it out. I have a whole vlog. You can meet him. He's so cute. And I'll see you guys back here very soon with another new YouTube video. Hit that subscribe button. Bye guys!